What are you doing? Huh? Ew, and she ate it. Okay, ready? Sing. We
miss you, Merry Christmas. We miss you, Merry Christmas. We miss you, Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. We miss you, Merry Christmas. We miss you, Merry Christmas. We miss you, Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year.
have to have an Christmas tree.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Abby, stop.
You guys can sing it together. Here, scoot back a little bit. I can't see you.
Your branches. Abby's messing up me, Mom.
Okay. You sing it together. Where are you going?
Abby's messing up.
Okay, Abby, your turn. You sing it. Okay, here, I'm going to put on this. Come here, Abby. I'll sing Away in the Manger, okay? You do the thing. Away in the manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus lay down. How do you do that? Lay down your sweet head. Lay down his sweet head. The stars. You gotta do it. Lay the stars. Oh, now she's mad because you're singing, Madison. The stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. Good job. Okay, Madison, come. It's your turn. Why are you crying? Okay. Madison, are you so sad? What happened?
Abby almost hurt me.
Oh, because she didn't want you to sing?
Yeah.
Okay, Abby, can you say sorry? Abby, can you say sorry to Onni? Sorry. Say it better. Say, I'm sorry, Onni. Hug. Bobo. Okay. You're not going to say it's okay, Madison? Alright. Are you ready to sing? No, you're done? Okay. Can you tell my camera Merry Christmas? Look at the camera. Alright. Abby.